baranyeta Reverend Dr. Jasper tumuhimbise mpirirwe kandi ndakurira ebyamataka hamwe n'ubugeiga bwa Church of Uganda yona turi kunu ya Kabale habwo mushango gwa Harambee-Kaharo High School ejo ni secondary tindaza kuza mu bya koti habwo kuba mushango guri mu koti kandi nitwe twaguteremu ke kanisa ya Church of Uganda hako ryishomero neryeitu hariho kanisa hariho secondary school nko kunagamba tinenda kuza hagati ya y'ebintu biri hagati ya koti kushekuru. Of course itwe tasasire nka kanisa no kushanga ngo abana beitu ati na munonga bari mu senior 1 to senior 4 hati tibarashoma kuho kwa kana umwaka guhweri azitwa bakuzire mu cyaro nyenda rugaruba ya Kabale tukashomera mu mashomero kuri bagasibire hati tinobere ni doctor habwa mukama kutwikiriza tukaza muri church school naza Kigezi College Butobere naza za Makerere habwo kugira ngo foundation taro wajizire ki wajikwasireho so nyecho nico kiranshasha nko muntu urakurira ebyamataka kusa kandi ko muntu uraruga muri Kigezi itaka tukarihebwa abantu kandi kanisa tuhagwe kuhebwa gaitaka abantu ka Church of Uganda uraza kushanga ngo hariho kanisa hari akashomero nangwa bumwe tuteho n'irwariro so ekindi no kumanya ngo itwempa abantu batuha turacira kandi tushemererwe kandi nyeta abantu bona abatari nangwa na harye ishomero kusha aho lihona warebe kanisa ninga ishomero ninga health center eri kuferwa itaka umanyi ngo niwe eri kuferwa aho kwitwe nke kanisa turi facilitators of development turachira kugira ngo tuyamba bataka bahasi so ishomero bari twara bakatwara irwariro umanyi ngo niwe hati uri kurumiza umwana wawe so nko kunagamba itwe nico turenda cyangwa ishomero rugiguke kari turamunyenka twara PhD yanje eri muri education hariho nyuka ricuramo abana ko rero batashomere nyuka ricuramo tindamanye kibaraza kubuzibwa ogu mwaka so haraza kuzaho repeating abandi hatense kabamira azambwe neco nikikafuke kandi turasima bona abemerere n'abana kwemerera n'abana hamwe n'abazeire babo rero ubwanyime binde bya koti nebindi tubizemu habwo kwa koti yerashinjise mushango ekibareta based on merit kurugera nko kugura kiraki guraza kuzayo kushe kikuru twikiriza abana beitu bagaruke yishomero
leadership Kabale district nyarese ngo ishomero barikingeho
yes ico kiri mu koti kandi nyowe nko kigamba kahandika na teranara DC habo kuba mu mwanya wo providing security kugira ngo bakuma abana n'abegesa bigumizemu tuze mu koti wakahika yasiba azanye of course nshomera biragiro ndachomye biragiro tikikire kugira ki kusibishomero ecora kora orataho security itwa bararwana nitwo urwana imyaka 10 taresho ngo kusho mwana agireki agumara zahishomero so nye eco nico ndafana n'abakinjira ishomero batatuburize tebaratuburize kabakama bitaka ninga bakama ba foundation education acteragira ngo waza gukora ikintu cyo na hishomero rye kanisa ubuze kanisa tukaturashitama turonde neco gukora nangwa bitakayikire nahari kusha size yitaka ni 9.8 hectares ngeno kabiri na mushanjo hawe kaniseri na primary na secondary so ko yakireminzire nebindi tindabizamo abo kabiri mu koti azan ko kunakugambira ndashome biragiro munonga nantarenda ngo ngambe habintu biri mu koti aho kwanda nashishira eize kanisa ninga nashishiro liya azati kirungi nkasaidie kanisa kiturenda no kuja ngo twigurira abana beitu baze kushoma nico cyo kubanza eca kabiri by'amatako buturi mu koti najire mu koti nagambira ubujurizi bwanje kote raza kusharamu mukama wita Karwechesare trustees pa Church of Uganda turenda kusima munonga Henry Rwaganika na Baku Company Advocates hamwe na Dr. Kampumuza Company Advocates abemerere nitwe kugira ngo barwanirire ikintu eca public kandi ogumushango bagujiremu tutashafire nesente kandi kurugira ngo kuba ndi kubareba nyowe kandi nyenka kora mu IGG ndamanye bye biragiro kurugira ngo kundi kubareba mukama baho mugisha kanisa twine ba representatives barunji Reverend Dr. Jasper Tumimbi Sempirirwe, the group CEO of Church Commissioners. I'm in charge of land and estates and also the investment arm of Church of Uganda. The issue before court today, and I want to go into merits of court, is that as registered trustees we took to court the ownership of Harambee-Kaharo High School, situated on what we call our land in Kaharo sub-county. For now, because the school was closed in April last year by the head of security in Kabale district, that the LRDC, our appeal is really quickly for that school to be opened. You put security around so that children and teachers are studying as we battle out in court. My problem is that actually now a cohort of 4 years has lost 1 year. I pray that we don't lose another year in the new curriculum so that our children can go to school. Then we battle the courts, the merits of the case within court. Yeah, of course, children are now at home or somewhere, and I think the world has swallowed some. So our appeal is really so that we process some of these very, very quickly. And I thank God for the court of law. They have really facilitated quick hearing so that our children again do not have a second year either at home or and I guess we can never get all those children back. But my appeal is that when this school is opened, let parents and children come back, and then they have a future. I am a PhD holder because I went to a Church of Uganda founded school and nobody actually challenged it, and up to now I thank God that those days processes were okay for our children to go to school and get a living. In Kigezi, in fact, and let me say it, and it can be on record, in Kigezi we don't have adequate land. The only thing we can get is adequate education so that we look after ourselves. Otherwise, beyond that, I think our children will be paupers.
But do you believe that this land belongs to the church?
I don't believe I know it belongs to the church, but the merits of that case will be decided by court. I pray for the people of Kabale to protect church land, to protect institutions' land, because the moment they are tampered with, you are tampering with the education of your children. Period. It doesn't matter. We have many cases in court, and it is because people are not protecting. And I thank God, me, as Jasper Tumimbi Sempirirwe, from Rubaya, I will protect church land, I will protect government land up to the last point. Not because I am okay, it is because our children will depend on that.
Anyita Ramowiri John Batebekera, Ninzarwa Shirandura, Kaharo, Ndorwa East, Kabale district.
Yesebo.
Kunindi kuzarwa.
Enshonga zitaka lya Harambee-Kaharo High School. Unozimanya huki?
Kindi zimanyaho ntakahikiraho. Ubwo abuto muri Kahoro ni ndi kansila w'abakirinju. Katura ngo mu kanano wo gomborora konkambwe n'ubuti yanyiye kansila ndi ku representinga abantu abakuzire muri Kahoro yona. Bene byitaka lya Harambee ni mbimanya. Habwo kuba ni igitaka nihondwe mu Kristayo we kanise John mwenshomeraga kandi nkashomera harya umwaka wa 2025 niho nabinisho mu church school kuna shomire namara nije naba master mu mwaka wa 2025 na mukaga ahari Kaharo ya kanisa kuyarebeye ndikoraje bampa promotion na baheda master ishobora narireberera uko mu mwaka gwa nkaga na gumwe ubu nariteyire umuri government mu mwaka gwa nkaga n'ibiri bayite itaka rirye kanisa abe kanisa itwa nkaba Kristayo tukatwinaho primary yetu twayenda ngo twombekaho senior mwene kanisa twayombeka birasi bina byo kutamusiniya konka mwenu abana ko babere bake batahishomero rya Nyamushungwa batahirya bitabo abana baba bake ibyombeko byangumaho abana babo tibaboneka bakuzamo twabiro turgaho twabona umujungu bari kweta Hector Switzerland ati mwene biri byombeko tinkari tafandisi ni mu kampe y'ibyombeko hamwe n'abana rero tukakora development te ataza nyenda ngo turiyete Harambee-Kaharo high school ntaza shiye kigambo Harambee ni kimanyisaki ati Harambee no gukorera hamwe ukaretaka na inkaretaka tukatungura niko tukamwikiriza akareta fandisi ni tukareta abana ishomero rikatandika abana betu bashomire ku rugari rw'ishomero abamwe bene za degree twinumuna ba professor na ba engineer mwenu igitakarine ne cyapa cyekanisa mwenu jwereho aruhakana kuba ari kwetegeka nakini ikitorogo cyane umwebazo bakweta ngo ni asikari nawe akashomeraho mpaho ejaye kokora ngo Hector ngo akarimusigira rero Hector utwabe tukoze no partnership ngo tureta abana n'ibyombeko akagaruka kwabo boraya nango yaheka no tusibura yajata ya munoronga coming back to Uganda muteho burwo bwo no kumurareberera rwishomero nyare bazeri mu bakaharo nimwe kanisa ritari barwo mikono ngere kutube turgaho mpo tubona ugo mwana asikari ati atubinga koko nakugambira ngo buti nyowe kansira w'abantu abakuze ni bakirinju ni injwekera abakuzira hagomborora ba kanso ya gomboro yandonda ukuzaha boda ya fellowship izina ryanjye kuri yahikire mpaho asikani mbwe n'ubanunze kuba chairman wa board yari bamwe izina ryanjye ati batebekera ati we nakubinga ati ndikwenda ngo zari arya kaciko wambingira ki ati wati ndikwenda atabantu banangize myaka nkaga ati ndikubenda boka ya boda yanjye yambinga nyatura ha yaza kwenda basirukari punarebire beirukangani mutabano wanje batuma beirukangani reverend kanoni basheje naye nkabona mpamaguru wirukanga naza kweshereka mbwenu turebera turwo mukoti ari kugira ngo itakanerigeye no kureba kiri kuntangaza na leta na bishop we tukusiba mwanikiro umukoti nico ndi kumanya bye itakanerigeye turya bakuristayo bakaro Church of Uganda mutushabira kana tindi kumanya cyaka ikazerwa wabo ngo ni buhara tikamanya cyari ho gumwana
mazina ni Wilson bana dabehireyo aryatunga mwene siya kashanjigwe wazegwe ku Rwanda sanunena kazarwa muremere nashomera muremere ari karo primary school kuna ize kushoma shaje na kumwe nagenda nazo mu secondary nazo mu Kigezi school muhini sakego nindimanya ninyatana ne kanisa ikanisa yishagura n'umugenzi cyuri igitaka abakusayo bateka kushome batomanya kizimbe kebera sibina albajugwanje cyari kuza kufuka yatugabira itaka itwa abana beyi kandi ngomwa nawe yarakunzire yansigira ubukuru kandi nanjye natunga umugabo kandi tukabagana bwingane nangwa y'ababiri bazakashire yarinsigira kushaka shire nariba aho uko tongitwa ibyo bisigira bisigiro umukikuru ikirwo nsangaza saa sita tukamaze kacyenda n'eshatu mu kwezi kwa 11 2013 kusha ibihandiko byo mu Serikari kwandika nandika ngo Yosiya nimpandika zarugumanya yamugabira itaka kandi yabiri n'abasigazi iyi n'abana ebitine bandike bihamire kuya kwa zabashomeza beye bahandika kananye ibandika bwazaza ngine umubuhandiki n'umukoti mbutigiremo mwana bashya no kusibana bazengereza tine namani tine mu mushogo nafka kinanye na belizaza kugira ngo itaka sasa kamugabira kandi umuryango wa mugabiri tari umuntu wa Kaharo wasayinigiremo kandi uko yasayinigiremo kabene mwana mukono gwe kushatsalimu n'abana bo yabanashomesa na yera kana zakiri nawe itake ryo buzemo ko ndi kuri mane rya cyaki akwe no bagiye guriri itake ryo ni rya cyaki kandi kuzakuja cha Harambee ebitini kuyumanya kindi kuyumanya kindi kwakwati ni itaka ryito kuyo bakamutiza ngo yakorengana nabo nibamuha abana
tutukwenda ngo ajye cyaka
abazere bikiriza niko sini yasanikiye skoye
mwe ntati muzeyi ni mwenda ki
nyowe algongo ishomero ry'icyo kine kakwate naryo akija bayiza akaryo mweki askara akaryo mweki kuya heza yabera cy'umushozo w'umuzungu yanabera gyatsa yana yamusigira kwisha kwazana n'abanyakaro abari kwende byabo kacyama nogwe bari kugira ngo akamwe baro murana wishomero rubajurumwe yamusayiningira ukusima n'ensandikane kanisa yarebye nibafuka bakamanyisa abakristayo kandi abana bakeyayo korereze kanisa abana abo
bana cyabo
kanso Henry guhaganika no murumuna Dr. James Kampumuzi bene founder wa Kaharo yose mu Rutanga
transcriber to translate them. Yes. A lot of the translations were since we have been there, they are here. And those students have been, they already have been with us. Yes. So
I think we just needed a trust certificate translation.
yes, it's my note.
You cannot find the basis on which that otherwise serious application is based. My Lord, this particular witness was put on the stand in this court and she gave her evidence in chief, which was admitted by court. She swore before this court, she took oath and admitted the contents of all her paragraphs in her witness statement and was cross-examined. The role of the Attorney General today was only to make clear what was not done with this witness. The Attorney General is just jumping from here to there, expecting to throw a bird in the bush and find a guinea pig, but in the process seems to be finding a lion. Secondly, my lord, there is actually a certificate of translation on the second last page of that witness statement. Where my learned friend ingeniously got her submission from, or if she expanded it from her own record, we are not aware. So, my lord, the conclusion by my learned friend, which was actually a ruling by herself, that the certificate was not translated, is neither here nor there. It has no tail, has no legs, has no head. But we still reiterate our earlier submission that even if it had not been translated, this was a witness statement and not an affidavit. And we draw my learned friend's attention to the 2019 amendment of the CPR, specifically amendment of Order 18, that is 5 capital A, which deals with witness statements and has made it clear that the witness statements only become evidence after they have been produced in court, on oath before court and the cross-examined order. Therefore, all the references to the Leaflet Protection Act in this particular case are irrelevant and not applicable. And we pray that the Attorney General be overruled. We have been appearing in the case of the registered trustees of the province of Church of Uganda versus Harambee Fellowship, Serikari, Ronald and others, which concerns the land at Harambee-Kaharo High School. The witnesses were testifying today, and the matter has been adjourned tomorrow for the witnesses to continue with their testimonies, so that the case is concluded and the communities gets to know the fate of the school and when the students would be able to resume back their studies.
My name is Ryoka Murindwa Innocent. I'm a lawyer by profession and an author. The outcomes of today's court were that first and foremost, we are trying to have a completion of the plaintiff's case in this very famous case that we have today, the famous Harambee case, the registered trustees of the province of the Church of Uganda and others versus Harambee Fellowship and others, with the most notorious Serikari Ronald. And we are coming to a closure of the plaintiff's case, hopefully by midday tomorrow, so that we start the plaintiff's case and later go into arguing out the legal framework that we shall do later on. But hopefully we finish the case during the course of this week.